Hey guys, it's me, Surfer BRG, and welcome to this room tour of the Rodeway Inn. Well, years ago, I stayed at this hotel years ago for Halloween, and it wasn't so great, but that was years ago. Nowadays, after staying at several locations of the Rodeway Inn, I figured I would, give this a second try, especially since I was able to score a good discount. Scored the room for $50 thanks to the My Choice Hotel Rewards program. So anyway, got a nice room, so that's right now. That's the door, maid service sign. That's the mirror, and this is a really nice room for $50. Like, let's see. First, here's the bathroom. Let's do the bathroom first, since it's right by. It's really nice. Looks really cool. Dang. In fact, looking forward to trying it out tonight. It's not too bad. Not fancy, but it looks really nice. Alright. Let's see. See, it's got a sitting area with like seats and tables and everything. I wish I would invite a friend along, but unfortunately, no visitors allowed in this place. So, could be COVID, could be hookers, whatever the case is. Here's a nice bed, king-size bed area with nightstands. Here's another desk area and a bench area with where I have my bag and stuff. Huge, massive TV. Looks really nice and fancy. And the fridge is not and this room's not complete without a mini fridge. Works is really nice. There's a thing of coffee, but I plan to grab a few things to stick in the fridge because I want to make sure I have my breakfast ready for tomorrow. It even got a microwave, so it's even better. And let's see what else. Here's the cabinet, nice cupboard or cabinet. It's probably a closet, and inside, ooh, I think a little stiff opening, but there's an extra pillow and iron board. But I don't know if I need to do any ironing. There's the oof. Oh, that's weird. Alright, good thing I'm just being very careful. Here's the AC unit. And right now it's a little bright, but here's a view of my room. Got a nice view because I remember last time I stayed here, I got a view where the tree was blocking it. So it's a really nice view. And let's see, more nightstands. And yeah. So back to the mirror reflection. Yeah, I'm using my smartphone, so don't have the cameras, but I can't wait to get those cameras fixed or replaced. But anyway, so overall, nice place. Can't wait to sleep here tonight. Enjoy my dinner in this room, Figure I'd enjoy a little break after my second dose of the COVID vaccine, so I'm glad to have a little break and rest after chaos, but doing fine. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys in next one.